Umentri ka Sorkar Preng Bakmi ka Development of Northeastern Region Dona Dr. Jitendra Singh Ubalong ru ka juk kapor Menteri Khana nakabenta ka tanat Atomic Energy Pat Space hakakhan du tarek nailar loong ka Sorkar Pedeng kan persang banjam sakmat akalinti ka babatam ka badai banle habai dei ka jingthumu banti uranium hakajalla Hapakren Chikilat Patai Kubor ka Jingwan Jong-u nakabenta ki program Blapnia ka Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya Unit Anongklau West Kasil District Dr. Singh Ulong bagi don katu kan ni kimat kidang don hapedeng ka jingekren namar kata ngimla banchim rai menta mardor naba kidon kam shua ya ka jingekren pada ka jinge selok ka basani ba Dr. Singh Ulong Sorkar India kampat Kyrkieh banti uranium Meghalaya.
The government has decided to celebrate, recognize and honor the unsung heroes of India's freedom struggle. And somebody like Honorable Tirot Singh had contributed immensely, gave the supreme sacrifice of his life, was hanged by the British rulers, and he took up the fight for freedom at a time when many of the heroes were to follow him later on as a result of his inspiration. He lived in the early part of 19th century, even before the first war of independence had happened. And therefore I think he can be easily described as one of the torchbearers, one of the pioneers of the freedom struggle of India, not only of Northeast but India as a whole. And he was hung by British rulers almost 1 century before Shaheed Bhagat Singh and Rajguru were hanged. And I am glad and we are proud that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had the wisdom, the insight and the presence of mind to celebrate these unsung heroes. And I am sure this campaign which we have started countrywide would help inspire our youth, because today more than 65% of our population belongs to the age group of 40 and less than 40. And we have to educate our youngsters about what is our heritage. And I am also particularly delighted to be among the family members, the 6th generation of Honorable Tirot Singh, who was a Khasi chief, and I had the privilege to be with them to felicitate.